Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, I am going to give you Vienna Game opening 5 wraps. I am going to give you 5 different chess wraps in Vienna Game. Please watch and finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, we can go to the moves. Okay, first one is e4. This is king's 4 opening. In this particular move, benefits for white pieces. What kind of benefits for white pieces? You can see here. I am going to teach you. This e pawn, e4 pawn, move to e4. That's why white bishop come to this line. Okay, easily develop the white light cross bishop, and white queen go to this line. Okay, then the knight come to here, and this knight come to here and here. Okay, that's why this e4 white pawn benefits. Okay, let's go to the first move of black check. Black played e5. Okay, now black super move because black pawn is now control the center. This pawn control this center, this white pieces control this center and this center. In this particular chess move, make a very important idea for black pieces. You can think correctly because this is the very important wrap you never seen any more than any video. Okay, after that, this black side pieces. So the bishop come to this line, this queen come to this line, this knight come to here, and this knight come to here and here. Okay, we will see how to handle this much white. You can see white here now. White second move of white here, knight c3. This knight is now jump to the c3 because this knight, you can see here, this knight defend this pawn, e4 pawn, and this knight go to here and here and here and here and here and here and here. Okay, what? Another knight come to easily here. Okay, we will see how to handle this match for against white pieces for black pieces. So you can see now second move of black check. Black bishop go to c5. Okay, now you can see here this black bishop come to here on, you can see here this bishop come to attack this pawn. Okay, we will see how to handle this particular chess game. Attack this one. His idea is keep bring the queen to here and attack a checkmate, or this queen come to here and attack this line and attack this pawn. If he was like this, then this queen attack this pawn and check. You can see this queen come to check and wrap the rook. Here is so many ideas of black have. We will see how to handle this match white pieces. Okay, now third move of white and knight a4. Now this particular knight attack the bishop. You can see here, we will see this knight attack this bishop. Okay, this knight attack this bishop, and in the same time this knight go to there, what he cannot go there because there is a pawn. This pawn attack this one, this pawn attack this one. That's why this knight don't go to there, and this knight come to here and attack the black bishop. Okay, we will see how to handle this much black pieces against the white moves. Okay, let's go to the third move of black chain. Bishop take to check. Now you can see here black bishop sacrifice his bishop. Okay, black pieces of bishop of black pieces. Okay, now black bishop is sacrificed here. This bishop come to here and attack here. We will see how to handle this match white pieces. You can see now how to white handle this particular chess game. white can handle this particular chess game. First, white king cut the bishop. Okay, we will see the tactical pattern move of black pieces. You can see now the fourth move of black queen come to here on h4 and beautiful check. You can see here this queen attack this king, in the same time this queen attack this pawn. What? Now queen has four ideas. White king has four idea. One is this king go to here, or here, or here, and this pawn push here and black the check. We will see how to handle this much white. Now white moves perfectly. White go to here in e3. This is the fifth move of white. Now you can see how to easily attack this particular chess game. Black move there. Now you can see here black has support to black pawn to queen. You can see here I am going to teach you this pawn support this one. That's why this king cannot cut this one. Okay. Now there is a beautiful check. Now king has two options. Yeah. This king can come to here or here. But you can see here I am going to teach you this king cannot go there, or cannot cut this queen, or not go there because there is a fall. Okay. Now we will see. Now sixth move of white. White king come to here on d3. Okay. Then how to handle this particular chess game? Black push the pawn here to d5. You can see here why black pawn pushes to d5 squares. You can see why need to push the black pawn to d5. Okay, we will see why he push like this. There is attack this pawn and easily out come to the black bishop, and this knight come to here, this knight come to here, and easily castling like this. Okay, we will see how to handle this smart. Now white pieces, white queen go to there in f3. In this particular chess game, black has so beautiful and attacking move here. You can see how to black move. Now you can see here black cut the pawn and there's a fork. Now queen cannot cut. If cut the pawn with queen, you can see here I am going to teach you this queen attack this one, there's a fork the queen. That's it. Now queen is wrapped. Now this king cannot go there. If go there, this pawn cut the king. Okay, you can see here. Then queen take the pawn. Then black bishop come to here and pin the queen. Now he cannot do anything here. What kind of move white move? If he cut like this, then cut the queen. That's it. This wrap ended now. This wrap, black win the game because black has so many pieces, but white has less pieces. White lost his queen. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't forget to watch this whole video. Please watch in the particular chess video is very important for you, because if you're playing a tournament, you can find and you can practice this kind of particular chess wrap video, and you can put together to your memory, and you can participate in the chess tournament. You can play there. Okay. Then we can go to the second draft of Vienna Game. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. This is Vienna Game Rap 2. How to white win the game. Okay, you can see how to white win the game. First move is e4. We saw already e4. This e4 pawn attack the two squares. One is this one, other one is this one. And first move of black e5. You can see here e5. This pawn attack this two line. You can see here this pawn attack this one and this one. Okay. Then the second move of knight c3. Knight c3. White played it like this. If you're playing chess, you can set up the board outside of your own board and look at this kind of chess video, and you can put the pieces for the on the another chess board, and you can play there. Your chess style is easily improved. Okay. Then second move of black bishop comes to c5, attack the pawn on f2 and bishop go to there c4, then knight come to here e7, then d3, and we will see knight come to b c6 and queen go to there in h5. Okay, now you can see here, I am going to teach you now this bishop attack this line, this queen attack this one. Now he cannot do anything, this bishop attack this one, this knight come to here and here. We will see come to cancel this much black. Okay, we will see black castling, black made a beautiful castling. Then the 7th move, 6th move, bishop go to g5. Another bishop, white bishop go to g5. In this particular chess game, we will see how to cancel this much. Okay, we will see and queen come to e8. Okay, now you can see here, I am going to teach you now this bishop attack this one, and this queen defend the knight, and this knight to defend the knight, and this poor queen bishop to defend the knight. In the same time, how to cancel this much white, you can see here, white how to cancel. White push the knight to d5 and attack a black knight, white knight. Okay, then bishop go to white to b6 and knight go to there in f6 and beautiful check. Now knight go to there and sacrifice the knight. If you can see, he need to cut this one, otherwise he lost the game. Okay, you can see how to cancel this match. If he move like this queen cut this one and beautiful checkmate. If cut this one and easily make a beautiful checkmate. If queen come, bishop go there and queen come to here and there's a beautiful checkmate. Okay, we will see how to cancel this much and 8th move. Phone cut g cross f6. Okay, g cross f6 phone. Okay, then we will see another move of white bishop cut the f6, bishop cut the phone, then that's it. Black cannot do anything here. If queen come to here, if key come to here, then queen go to there and easily make a beautiful checkmate. Then make a check, then like this. If take check, then there, then beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is rap number 2 in Vienna Game. That's it. We can go to the third Vienna Game rap of this kind of chess video. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. In today's video, Vienna Game rap, I am going to explain deeply and smartly for every chess players need to learn this particular chess game. Okay, let's go to the third chess rap of Vienna Game. First one is e4, king's pawn opening, e5, king's pawn opening, knight c3, then bishop c5. Okay, after that f4, he push the pawn to f4. Now attack a pawn by the white pawn. You can see here, I'm going to teach you this pawn attack this one, then this queen go to like this, then bishop go to like this, then this knight go to there and there, this knight come to here and here. Okay, easily develop the pieces. White, what this queen attack this line, we will see come to cancel this match. Then queen take the knight, bishop take the knight, bishop take the knight and rook take the knight, bishop. Okay, then pawn come to d6, fourth move of black check. Black pawn come to d6 and then bishop go to c4 and attack the f7 squares black pawn. You can see here, this bishop attack this one. Okay, now we will see come to cancel this particular chess game. You can see here and another move of black chain. Black queen come to h4 and beautiful check. h4 and beautiful check. Then we will see come to cancel this particular chess game. Now he push the pawn to g3. Push the pawn to g3 and we will see come to cancel this particular chess game. Now queen need to move, otherwise queen going to lost black. That's why queen cut like this. Then rook come to king come to here and defend the rook. Then bishop come to here and check. Now king need to move, otherwise he lost. You can see this king need to move here and cut the rook. That's why this can easily win black. Black has so many ideas and easily win the game black. Okay, we can go to the fourth ref of Vienna Game in the particular chess game. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. This is fourth ref of Vienna Game. We will see. Please watch and finish this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't miss any video of my video. Okay, we will see. Let's go to the moves. First one is e4, king's pawn opening, e5, king's pawn opening, knight c3, king's knight opening, then knight come to here on c6, then bishop b5. Now this bishop attack the knight. You can see here, this bishop attack this one, and this knight go to there and support to this one, and this knight support this one. This queen come to easily here, this bishop come to easily here, and this queen go to like this, and this knight go to there and there. We will see how to cancel this match black. Okay, black and black knight come to here and knight d4. Then knight f3. Now attack the knight, white the knight. We will see. You can see here, I am going to teach you this knight attack this one. Oh, this one. I think he will cut like this. Oh, he go back. Oh, here, oh, here, oh, here. You're not here. Here. Okay. We will see. Another move. I come to here. Then white end. White push the pony and open the dark squares. White bishop. Now white bishop is easily outside. Come to easily like this. He can make a pin to the knight and queen. We will see how to cancel this match. Now there is a pin, knight and king, and white pieces. Beautiful castling. Then pawn take. Knight take the bishop. Black bishop take the white knight, and pawn take the knight, and knight take the bishop. That's it. Here is you can see here. White has double rook, a bishop, a knight, and a queen, and 8-4. What black has double rook, and a queen, double knight, and bishop, and 8-4. Go to this game. White win easily because white has black win easily. Black has so many pieces.